How to make color engraving with Cricut. Step 1. First create or upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once the design is ready, select it, click on the Operation drop-down menu and select Engrave. Step 3. When you zoom into the design, you'll notice crisscross diagonal lines called hatch fill, which will be engraved along the lines. Step 4. When you're ready, make sure that the design is selected, then click on Make It. Step 5. In the Prepare screen, center the image on the mat, then click Continue. Step 6. On the Make screen, click Browse All Materials, search for the material and select it, then click Done. Step 7. Set the pressure to More. Step 8. Get your acrylic plaque and peel off the plastic covering from one side of the acrylic plaque. Step 9. Place the acrylic in the middle of a strong grip mat, then tape it down using printer's tape. Step 10. Put the engraving tool in clamp B and move the star wheels all the way over to the right. Step 11. Load the mat by pressing the load and unload button, then press the flashing start button to begin engraving. Step 12. When it's done engraving, unload the mat. Step 13. Brush off the debris using a soft cloth from the acrylic and the machine. Step 14. Peel off the tape and remove the acrylic plaque from the mat, then remove the back protective film. Step 15. Wipe it again with the soft cloth and clean the engraving tool. Step 16. To color the engraved design, tape the areas where you want to use different colors. Step 17. Apply a tiny amount of color in one area, then buff it into the engraved areas using a cloth. Step 18. When you finish the section, wipe off the excess color from the plain surface. Step 19. Keep going through small sections until the first color is done. Step 20. Remove the tape from the other sections and let it dry for a few minutes. Step 21. Tape the finished area and apply the other color to the rest of the design following the same method. Step 22. Remove the tape, wipe off excess color from the planned surface and let it dry. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.